So this is my Audi A3 sold by dodgy dealer Ravenor Motors. I wasn't expecting that a month into ownership I would be doing a major engine out job on this car, but they've taken absolutely zero responsibility for any of the problems with this car. The clutch is slipping, it looks like it's got a timing chain that's stretching. They had taken off the warning light for the engine management system. Whether they'd done it or somebody else had done it, but they sold the car with that problem and are taking no responsibility. So after a day, we have been working on the car today. The engine is now out, which is 3.2 V6, and we're able to now get to the gearbox, and we've got a brand new clutch to go in. We have a new timing chain to go on, and we'll be doing all these bits of work on the car over the next few days. So yeah, it took a full 8-hour day to get the car to this point. It's quite good the way the front of the car comes off. Get the radiator off with the whole of the front of the car. Lights are all, you can see here, lights are still attached. So tomorrow we'll be starting to strip down the engine and splitting off the gearbox so we can replace the clutch and then do the timing chain.